What's up, kinfolk? Today we're making baked shrimp scampi. This is one of those recipes you can whip up anytime, and the best part is ready in under 20 minutes. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need peeled and deveined shrimp with the tail on, garlic, shallot, fresh parsley, lemon, butter, Parmesan cheese, panko breadcrumbs, white wine, salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. Alright, let's get our prep out the way first. Start by mincing 6 cloves of garlic, dice a shallot, chop up some fresh parsley, now for the shrimp, season them with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a pinch of cayenne, and smoked paprika. Next, melt 8 tablespoons of butter, and for this recipe, you'll want to use a good quality butter. Now add in your minced garlic, shallots, and about a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add a 1/4 cup of white wine. Season it with salt and black pepper. Then give it a mix. For the breadcrumb topping, combine 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs with a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Season it with salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it together and set it aside. Next, grab an oven-safe dish and layer half of your butter sauce on the bottom. Add your shrimp. And it's okay if they overlap a bit. Add the remaining butter sauce over the top. Finish it off with breadcrumbs. Bake at 425 degrees for 10 minutes. Once it's done, shred some fresh Parmesan on top. And there you have it, baked shrimp scampi. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.